Hi there, my name is Aiman Maulana from Porter.net, and right now I'm just doing a quick video test with the Razer Kiyo X webcam. So I just want to show you guys what it will look like if you're using this webcam with at least some decent lighting on. Right now I have just my room lighting on, so it's not like a studio lighting kit or anything like that. And yeah, I think this will give you a good idea as to how well it can actually do, because from what I can see right now, it's actually looking pretty decent, not gonna lie. But just keep in mind that this is very dependent on light. So if you want it to look better, you need to actually use some good lighting in your room. With that being said, you still do have some optimization options using Razer Synapse. And right now, this is the default setting, so I did not adjust or change anything. When you take it out of the box and you plug it in, this is exactly what it looks like. Now, just for the sake of comparison, this is the video coming out from the Dell Latitude 9520's built-in webcam. So you can immediately tell that the video quality has dropped quite a bit. So obviously the Razer Kiyo X, which is a standalone webcam, would be the better choice. But this is just more so to give you an idea as to how it compares with a built-in webcam inside a laptop. Now compared to the earlier part of the video, this is actually running in 60 frames right now, but just keep in mind that this webcam, the Razer Kiyo X, can only do full HD 30 frames, so if you want 60 frames, you're gonna have to drop down the resolution to 720p. Whether it's worth the trade-off or not, it's up to you, but personally, because it's just a webcam, I would recommend setting it to full HD because you don't really need 60 frames for webcam unless you're doing something on live streams that requires that smoothness. So for the most part, I recommend just enjoying the better detail that you get from a higher resolution video. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys out. In case you're looking at Razer Kiyo X, if you want something better, you might as well go for the Razer Kiyo Pro because honestly, it's one of the better webcams out there. Um, Despite the much higher price, but if you're looking for something more affordable, the Razer Kiyo X is still a good choice. So I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye.